Well, good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the shop. Today we're going to tear into, I believe it's a 1994 Murray walk behind. I don't know where I got it. It just showed up in my stash. And so we're going to go through it, see if we can make a running mower out of it. So I'll get you spun around and let you take a look at it. Okay, here we go. This is it. It's got a Briggs & Stratton Classic 3.5 horsepower. I don't know anything about this. I bought a trailer load of walk behinds this spring, and this may be one of them. It needs a gas tank, looks pretty good, so I don't think we'll have to mess with that. Needs a pull start. Let's see. The back wheel's a little wonky. The deflector flap on the back is gone, so we need to order that in. Cable thing up here on the top, if you can see that, just out of screen there, is a little bit bent. So, let's see what the underside looks like. Yeah, got a little bit of compression. Shaft looks straight. So, wheels aren't too wobbly. This one's out a little bit, and that one looks like it's flipped over a little bit. So let's go ahead and we'll get the brake back here taken off so we can turn the engine a little easier. It isn't locked up. Of course, you saw me turn the blade. So, let's get to tearing it apart. Pan to put nuts and bolts and stuff in. Looks like the cable might be seized up. Go. Kind of see that's kind of mangled up. We'll have to do some body work on that. And see if I can move this cable enough to hit the bottom unhook here. Nope, she don't want to move. So if I can get enough slack on that to There we go. This cable right here is seized up, so I'm going to try to squeeze these little clips together right here and get that cable pulled out of the bracket. There we go. Make enough slack. There we go. Now I can get it off. So that cable's all seized up. Alright, got the cable off. Winds are blowing, I can hear things banging around. Okay. Go ahead and put a tie on that. Alright, I think that's held off there far enough now. Okay, let's go ahead and tear the top shroud off. And we got 1/7/16 out here. Throw the cable clamp. That should come off now. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's give it a little blow off here. Got a lot of crap in it, but it doesn't look like any mouse nests. Got a little oil in the carburetor. me bring you around the other side here and I'll show you what this carb looks like. Alright, here's the carburetor. It's a little bent up, so we'll kind of straighten up some of this. Take the cable off. Okay. Okay, that's a little closer to what it should look like. Go ahead and pull this spark plug out. No boot on the spark plug. Pretty nasty. All fouled out. So, all right, let's get a pull rope on this, and we'll see if we got spark.